Welcome to your guide to the Penza Executive Chair. Inside your packaging you will find an upholstered seat, a backrest, the mechanism, armrest set, a 5-point base, set of 5 casters, a gas lift stem and shroud. Push the casters onto the wheelbase. Place the shroud over the gas lift and push the gas lift into the base assembly. Make sure it's secure. Flip the seat on its back and place on a raised platform. The packaging box is ideal. Locate the positioning holes for the mechanism, put it in place and lightly secure the bolts. Make a final pass on all these bolts and tighten. Put the seat assembly onto the top of the gas lift. Locate the fixing points for the arms and use Allen key and bolt supply to lightly secure. Put the backrest in position and secure with the lower bolts. Lightly secure first. Flip the back up and secure the upper bolts. Go around now and tighten fully all these arm bolts. Pop the bolt covers onto the front of the bolt holes. There is a paddle handle that can be pulled up to release the tilting mechanism. Push down to lock it in the desired position. A flip handle can be pulled up to release the chair height adjustment. The large central control boss adjusts the resistance of the tilting mechanism. Wind it up to make the tilt more difficult to push back. Unwind it to make it easier. This will differ depending on your preference, weight and build.